Hello and welcome back to another episode of Let's Play Firewatch. This is Carter, and where did we leave off last time? Cottonwood Creek, which is down here. Yeah. So last time we went to the lovely, see it says lovely, Pork Pond. Wink. And so I think we have to go through that little gate. So that is to Deadaway. Jonesy Lake. I wish Jonesy Lake was... no, I'm going the wrong way. I gotta go this way. Right. Oh my god, this map sucks. Alright. Yeah, this way. So, this game is outside, bugs are outside, which brings me to my paper I did for school on entomology. It was pretty nasty. Learned about the 5 stages of decay and all that good stuff. It was gross. I threw up a little bit in my mouth. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah. Okay, that way is to Pork Pond. This way, yeah, Cottonwood Creek. It's the tree from Game of Thrones. I'm gonna go talk to its face. Hello, tree. You are a big tree. Ooh. A ski in the middle of summer? How odd. So... where am I going? Okay, I'm at Cottonwood Creek. What the heck? Alright, let's go to... am I supposed to go to the camp? What is going on here? Oh my god, these rocks are the worst. What? What the hell? I don't know what's going on. Do 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 do. Oh, here we go.
I'm here at Cottonwood Creek.
I've been here for like an hour.
See the cash box there?
Must be around here somewhere.
It is. Find it and open it. I changed the code. It's 5678.
Are you kidding me?
I was in a rush.
Here it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam.
Okay, found the cash box.
Great, open it.
Don't tell me what to do.
What did you change it to
5,
again?
6,
I'm blanking.
7, 8.
Seriously?
It's nerve-wracking out here.
It's 5678, which you can
One
also
more
attribute
time.
to rack nerves.
One more time.
I found what you left me.
Good. Call me back with when you have it.
I've got it now.
Good. I spent all day getting you that radio. I hiked to a cash box, lied to a ranger, lied to another ranger, and hopefully you are now holding a clean, untapped radio.
Hopefully.
Holy fuck, Henry, we have to get into that site. Whatever these people are doing is illegal, right?
Tell me everything right now. All of it. You know what's going on, and you're gonna tell me right this minute.
Why would you think I know what the hell is going on? I snuck out in the middle of the night and figured out how to get you a new, untapped radio because what, I'm fucking with you? The most important thing, Henry, is that we don't turn on each other.
Maybe you're not real. Maybe I'm losing my mind.
What?
Julia, maybe it's happening to me, and I'm imagining that I have a boss out here and that we're being spied on.
Henry.
Maybe there was something in the water, or our condo was underneath some power lines, and you, Delilah, you're not real.
Henry, think about her. If what happened to her were happening to you, you wouldn't even be able to realize it.
Okay.
Henry, sweetie, I am real and this is happening. I'm as real as the sky is blue. Take a second and then call me back. I'm on your side.
Yeah, I still don't trust her. No,
Okay, I'm all right. I'm headed towards the site.
Good. Keep your head up.
I don't trust her. She's an evil person. She's working with the government to get the secrets out of my head.
Hey, I just thought of something not great.
What is it?
I filed a report that said that neither of us ever talked to or saw those girls, the ones that went missing a few weeks back.
What? Why would you do that? I told you to say the minimum and just keep it vague.
I know, and I didn't. I just
That was
didn't
an
want to be
elk.
hassled.
And now someone probably has a transcript of that entire conversation.
And I've filed a report that's a blatant lie.
And those girls are still missing.
Yep.
Fuck, Delilah.
Fuck indeed. We really need to get to the bottom of this.
Alright, I'm going the right way. Alright, it wasn't a strange noise. That was definitely an elk. Or maybe that's what the government wants me to think. I probably went the longest way. Oh, what the heck is with all... I got stuck on this rock again. Are you kidding me? You! Yeah. I have to go past Jonesy Lake again. Get me some of that sweet, sweet Giardia inside of my body. Do 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 do. The sweet sound of the ducks fill my ears with hope for the future. Alright, let's check this. Alright, Thunder Canyon. So I want to go up there. Wrong button. Alright. Let's check this out. I mean, I could go that way. Yeah. Put the map away. Rappel. Me. Awesome, we got a checkpoint. Damn it, something's gonna happen. And I bet it's alien probing.
I'm busting the gate down. There's nobody around, and it's the quickest way in.
Copy that.
I smashed open the gate. Should I try to fix or hide this?
No, screw it.
Okay, then.
Oh, a bee!
Ow!
It was a radioactive bee. I am now Bee-Man.
I got stung by a bee.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Yes, kind of.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What the hell? Oh my god, no. Oh no, it got really dark. Alright, Wapiti Station personnel. If you are trying to reach Dr. Simmons, he is on site from August 15th to October 15th. University-owned equipment is the responsibility of the doctor. Government-owned equipment is under the purview of Ferdinand. Remember, this is a controlled area and any issues, malfunctions, or violations should be reported immediately. Put that back. Right, now I have a copy of that. It got really dark. It got like super dark.
Okay, I'm at the site. I don't see anybody around.
Lucky for us.
Yeah, lucky for us. Dee, there is some serious comms equipment out here, wireless stuff.
What do you mean?
I'm talking a big 20-foot tall transmission tower. And they can probably listen to whoever the hell they want. They're nestled down in this valley, which makes it impossible for you or any lookout to see them.
Yo.
Now they're doing something with the soil out here too. It's all gridded off.
Who knows what else they're up to?
I sure as hell don't.
And there's all sorts of contraptions and shit out here.
Like what?
Dishes and stuff on metal legs. There are wires all over the place. I don't know. I'm not really up on high tech. This equipment is not stuff from the hardware store.
Wow, Henry, that was insightful.
I'm in their main tent.
What's it like?
It's definitely some sort of monitoring station. There's nobody here. It's just tents and equipment, and yeah, that's it.
Look everywhere. Maybe you can find something that will help us know what's going on.
Whew.
I think I found the thing they used to track us.
Holy shit.
You know, you swear, like, a lot.
Not the time, Hank.
Anyway, it's called a wave receiver. Looks like it picks up anything that emits a signal. It's got basic orienteering capabilities, everything.
Holy shit, Henry.
Yeah, holy shit.
You're gonna take it, right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, crap. Alright, first I'm gonna report all this stuff.
I wonder where they are. All of their stuff is here.
And they know you're there, so see what you can find and get out.
This place sleeps 3. They've got a row of cots here.
So they live and work in the same tent?
Yeah, it's all one operation.
Like us.
Yeah, like us. The desk in here is a mess. I mean, it's like someone was in a rush or knocked a bunch of stuff over on accident. Okay. Shit. Got a map here that confirms they're tracking our people's movements. The map's got all sorts of paths and areas marked off on it. There are lines that look like some of the paths I normally take.
Are you positive it's you?
I'm not sure, but I think so. Okay, so there's a log here that tracks the movement of 4 distinct subjects.
You and me?
Yeah, definitely me. And I suppose you too.
What about the other 2?
Maybe the Goodwins? What if they were following them last summer?
God, Henry, I don't know. If they were, there's no way Brian knew. He would have said something.
Yeah, I can't imagine a kid like that could have kept this under his hat.
We'll talk this over and figure out how to get the hell out of here.
Hey, this desk seems to be where all the monitoring is recorded. Just dials and computers and sorts of doodads. Holy shit, you don't think they're able to record our heart rate and stuff, do you?
Seriously, at this stage, I'd believe just about anything.
It's really dark out. I don't want to go back out.
Hey, this desk seems to be where all the monitoring is recorded. Just
I'm gonna
dials
pee
and
in their
computers and
socks.
sorts of doodads. Holy shit, you don't think they're able to record our
my
heart rate and stuff,
God.
do you?
Seriously, at this stage, I'd believe just about anything.
Alright. Tired of that. I am taking this.
Okay, this thing is losing its mind, beeping like crazy.
I can hear it. What's it after?
I don't know. I'm gonna go find out.
Oh.
Are you shitting me?
What? What is it?
There's a folder of reports here.
What do they say?
They're assessments about the 2 of us. There's stuff in here about Julia.
Like what?
Stuff I didn't tell you. This is...
What does it say about me? You said there was one about me.
And it looks like they've been following me around. What I do when I'm out hiking? Jesus.
Henry, do you hear me?
You have a boyfriend, Javier?
What the fuck?
Wish you hadn't left that out.
I don't. I didn't. This is insane. I'm so sick of letting these people do this to us. We should just burn the place down. Think about it.
Look, maybe that's what they want us to do.
What do you mean?
Maybe they're trying to push us to the point where we do something crazy. I mean, the grass is dry as hell here. It would go up in a second.
Well, now I'm thinking, what if you're right?
Yeah, you gotta think ahead,
I just
idiot.
don't think we should do anything that we can't undo.
Well, maybe it's not the best idea.
Yeah, it's definitely not the best idea.
Ah, so fucking wound up!
It's all right. I'm just gonna hike back. We have the wave receiver, and tomorrow we can figure out what to do.
You can't wait. They know you took the crap, so... should I take it? I'm gonna take this crap. This is mine now. Alright, I'm going back. No.
Whoa! Oh, shit!
Oh, what the hell?
Delilah, there's smoke coming from the site. I just climbed out of there and the bridge collapsed.
What the hell happened to you? It's definitely not the best idea.
It wasn't me!
What do we do?
We just call it in like any other fire.
And what about who started it? What about that?
Screw
Person
him.
who started it?
Yeah.
We're talking about people watching us out here who are now burning the forest and everything in it around us. I don't know what to do about that.
Except get the hell out.
Yes, get us the hell out of here.
I will.
Whew. That was intense. Ugh. Man. Alright.
This receiver just picked something up.
Like a signal? It's going beep beep.
Yeah, what could it be?
I don't know. You gotta find out.
All right, I'm on my way now.
You know what I just picked up?
No.
A fifth of Major Bueno tequila from the creek.
Are you drunk?
No! I am getting drunk.
Hey, Dee, I don't want to harsh your vibe, but maybe, just maybe, that's a bad idea.
Henry.
What?
You're harshing my vibe. My thinking is I could stay up all night worried I'm gonna lose my job because of the site fire, or I could not worry and let the chips fall where they may. It's not like there's any proof we were down there.
My thinking is I'm gonna follow this wave receiver.
Ooh, I like it when you think.
Ay. I'll just leave you alone with whatever these thoughts are.
Radio off. Okay. Well, oh my god, this beeping. I'm gonna stop it there, guys. The darkness was really spooky. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the support you've been giving us, especially with Dark Souls. Lindsay's having a great time with that. So, yep. Thanks for playing, guys, and I'll see you next time.